Hello guys, this is Think Station p330 Tiny, and I have just installed GPU which is RX 550 in it. To install, I have to remove this little bracket from here. I had to remove this speaker as well. Now the GPU is perfectly fitting in this body. I have installed this riser card here, and now I was sorting out the cables. The panel at the top, it is fixed properly on its location, but at the back side the opening is open because unfortunately I don't have this bracket. The bracket which I got, it was a little bit larger. Turn on the PC. Here you go. I have already installed the drivers, and you can see GPU 0. It is this RX 550. One more thing, that I don't have the cable which can be installed on this GPU port, so I am using the onboard HDMI for the purpose, and you can see that I can still use the GPU. If I open a GPU intensive software sandbox, and you can see I'm using this GPU. This means you can use your GPU while using your onboard HDMI card. I am feeling more smoother experience with overall with a dedicated GPU. Thank you for watching.